Hey bird, that's our bird. See how beautiful he is. That's him. Hey big boy, how are you? He likes to jet dance for the chickens. You see how he's dancing for the chickens? There he is. And we have some white ones too. See the white ones? The white peacock too. Right there. That's the white one. Hey big boy, how's it going? How are you? He's dancing. He's dancing for all the chickens. There it is. Beautiful. See the white one? He's a little baby, but he'll grow. They live a long time, like 25 years, so they're still very young. Yeah, dance it, dance it, dance. Hey, big boy, come on, come closer, come close. Hey, little chicken, that's a unique breed of chicken called a turkin. That's a turkin. It's a unique breed of chicken. See that? The neck. Yeah, that's the breed. That how it is. Hey, you're trying to eat food, huh? Yeah, this is the water system. So I just fill water once in 3 weeks or so. It's good for like 50 chickens. You see, it drips water. It's connected to the inlet for the water, and it drips little by little. You see that from the top. It's gravity fed. So the more they drink, it keeps on auto filling it. That's the water setup. You see, and I'll show you the food setup. That is for the food. This is how they eat the food. You know, you fill it up on the top like every 2-3 weeks, and the more they eat, the more it will come out from here. You see, that's how the feeder is. That's for the feeding. You see, so I don't have to fill up every day. Alright, peacock, see you later. See you. Okay, bye bye. Catch you later. Okay.